Is when people are creating the content, they are looking at themselves and they think they're creating content for themselves. And that's why they are very particular about, hey, how am I looking? Am I sounding smart? Am I looking smart? Am I making sense? Am I coming across as a smart person, or am I coming across as a naive or dumb person? How are people perceiving me? All these are the byproducts or symptoms of the people who are only me centric. They're just focused on me, my content, my knowledge, what I'm sharing. Moment you shift that me to them, people don't care then that, look, it does not matter how am I looking. What matters is, am I able to add value to somebody's life? Am I able to share some knowledge or wisdom that can add something to somebody's life? Moment you do this shift, the life starts to change and you start becoming more free from all the bondage of looking and sounding smart. Now, I'm not saying that you should not look smart and sound smart. You should definitely try to. But the focus is not on you. Focus on others. What can you do for others? How can you add value to others? How can you impact others? That should be the focus. So when I started making those videos, people laughed at me, laughed at my, behind my back and said, oh, Dave is now becoming a coach and mentor, like giving so much of wisdom of, this mindset and all that thing. Some of my very close friends laughed at me, but it did not impact me and my image because I knew, why am I doing this? I'm not doing this for me. I've already become unstoppable because I was reading books and I was taking massive action in my job and I was fulfilled and happy. I'm doing this to help others who are just like me, suffering from the mediocre mindset. Once I have that shift and this thing is the priority and this is clear thing, then irrespective of what you tell me, how am I looking, how am I sounding, I would not stop.